Hey guys, welcome to another short review. This time mini impact wrench. It's from KS Tools. It's called the Devil. It's really powerful, 1600 newtons, and it's pretty compact, half an inch. So inside the actual wrench. It's very compact. You hold it really good. It's only 2.1 kilograms, so it's not that heavy. You also get this small fitting and a small bottle of oil, and of course manual in several languages. Now I used this tool many times to change the wheel, to untighten the nuts, the lugs of the wheels, and it's really powerful. It's really good. Actually, every time I use it on rusted screws, I'm afraid that it's too powerful and I might break them. It has a single setting for unscrewing. It's 1600 newtons, and it has 3 settings for tightening the bolts. I actually used all 3 of them. I didn't have any problems, but of course I am very careful when I use it on rusted screws. I mainly use it for stuck bolts. After I put some WD-40 on it or some other chemical for loosening them up, I use this, and it worked every time. So I usually tighten them on the lowest setting, and after that I just use a big bar to tighten them, just to be sure that I'm able to untighten them when I have a flat. My compressor is an 8 bar compressor. It's a 50-liter one, so it's not that big. This tool only needs 6.2 bars to work, so I think it's usable with almost any kind of compressor that you might have laying around. Okay, this is it. It's fast, not much. You have the link in the description. It's worth it. It's small. You can put it aside really good, and for hobby enthusiasts, it's perfect. Take care. Have a good one. Cheers.